Here we have the Sony Ericsson Xperia X10. I am doing the video on the X10 as we speak. This is the VGA resolution. I'm not a big fan of VGA, especially since the still camera is 8.1 megapixel. Something that Sony is well known for is its camera. So it's another thing that just doesn't make sense to me. Here we have video taken from the Sony Ericsson Xperia X10. This is WVGA resolution. Again, not understanding exactly why they didn't go with 720p on this one, especially when you have such a high resolution still camera as the 8.1 Sony camera that's in there.